What if I told you that the biggest mistake you're making with your digital products is where you're selling them? Selling on major marketplaces like Etsy might seem like the really obvious choice, but it could be holding you back more than you realize. With account suspensions, limited reach, and fierce competition, you're playing by somebody else's rules, and that's costing you. Hey, if you're new here, my name is Jo, and I help creators with freelancing, passive income, and tech. And today I'm going to be showing you the best platform to sell your digital products on in 2024. And no, it's not Etsy. If you've been thinking about selling things like ebooks or templates or courses and just want to build a sustainable and profitable business, then you're in the right place. I'm going to be diving deep into one platform that's been an absolute game changer for me. And I'm going to get into how it can be the cornerstone of your digital product business. Plus, I'll share a few other strategies that can help you maximize your sales. Trust me, you won't want to miss this one. Let me tell you a quick story. A few years ago, I was selling my digital products on Etsy just like so many other creatives. It seemed like the perfect platform. I mean, there's tons of traffic, there's a built-in audience basically, and it's a pretty easy setup. I think the major draw card for me was seeing how other people's sales were just like skyrocketing and how much traffic you could get. But despite all of that, I wasn't actually making a lot of sales. Well, not like everybody else. I tried everything. I tried hacks like uploading 100 listings to get noticed. I spent countless hours on SEO. It actually was a nightmare. I was pouring in so much time and effort, but the results just weren't there. And there was just so much noise and conflicting advice. Like for me, I just found it really difficult to figure out. But luckily I discovered System.io. I remember launching my first product with a funnel, and honestly, I have tried all kinds of stuff to make money online. So I'm not really a stranger to failure or things not working out, but this time it was different. I set up my first email campaign, I hit launch, and boom, within an hour I had sales coming in. It was wild. My husband and I still crack up about it to this day because I was so hyped up I couldn't even sleep. I was literally in bed, glued to my phone, just watching these notifications pop up. Now, it wasn't an overnight success. There was a little bit of a learning curve before I launched my first digital product, but the control and the flexibility and the long-term benefits have been worth every second. By the way, I've put links to all my resources and freebies in the description below, including a free trial of System.io. Okay, so here is the 4-part framework that I use, and it's all centered around System.io. First, the key to successfully selling digital products is to own your own platform. System.io enables you to do this in all the ways that major marketplaces just can't do. Second, with System.io, you can build your entire sales funnel in one place, giving you complete control over the customer journey. Thirdly, you can manage your email list seamlessly with the same platform, ensuring that you stay connected to your audience. System.io allows you to sell your digital products directly, bypassing the restrictions of fees that other marketplaces might have. It might take a little longer to see results, but the control and the scalability that you gain are absolutely worth it. Let's get into a little bit more detail. So this platform is more than just one place to sell your digital products. Something else that I've found over time is that System.io is not just a one-dimensional platform. It can be used in so many different ways to generate income, and I have loved the flexibility of that. It really is an all-in-one solution that gives you complete control over your business. You can build sales funnels, run email campaigns, create membership sites, and even set up affiliate programs, all without needing to juggle multiple tools or platforms. And one of the best parts? You're not just selling products, you're creating an entire ecosystem that you own. And while it might take a bit longer to set up compared to slapping up a product on Etsy, the long-term benefits are enormous. With System.io, you're building something sustainable. Your email list is truly where the magic happens. With System.io's built-in email marketing tools, you can nurture your subscribers, offer exclusive deals, and make direct sales. Unlike selling on a marketplace where you're just another vendor, your email list gives you the power to build relationships and create a loyal customer base. Finally, don't underestimate the power of your social media content and bios. Platforms like Instagram, YouTube, TikTok, and Pinterest are great for driving traffic, and with System.io, you can easily link back to your funnels or landing pages. By doing it this way, you're converting followers into subscribers and customers, again, on a platform that you control. Now, while you might be selling digital products and that's your main thing, I also feel like affiliate marketing combined with digital products is such a great mix. Not only can you run your own affiliate program for your own digital products through System.io, but you can also promote System.io and earn 60% recurring commission. Now that building block right there is something not to miss, recurring commission. And here's a bonus tip. Once you have everything set up, your System.io funnels, your blog, your email list, your main goal is to drive traffic. And the good news is you can do that without spending a dime. You can start creating content on social media, just like this video, to attract an audience and engage them. Whether it's Instagram posts, TikToks, or YouTube videos, consistent content creation will bring in traffic that you need to grow your business. If you're still on the fence, let me tell you my experience with System.io and why I think it stands out compared to major marketplaces like Etsy. By the way, I'm not against big marketplaces at all. What I'm about to tell you is just through my own experience and basically my own opinion. And with the framework I provided, the major marketplaces just can't provide a business framework for you like that. On platforms like Etsy, you're hit with a variety of fees. I can't tell you how many times I've tried listing multiple items only to have a huge bill with hardly any sales. Fee types like listing fees, transaction fees, and even payment processing fees. Now, while some fees you actually have to pay with any platform, those extra ones, even though they seem cheap, you're paying per listing, and this can quickly eat into your profits. With System.io, you can start for free with no monthly fees. Yep, free. On the free plan, you get 3 funnels for free, 2,000 email contacts, a blog, 1 course, order bumps, email campaigns, and more. And as your business grows, you can choose a plan that suits your needs. But even then, when you need to upgrade, the cost is often so much lower than the combined fees on marketplaces like Etsy. For those monthly fees, you're looking at between $27 to $97. And if you pay annually, you're looking at about $228 to $828. The only extra fees that you pay, which you can't avoid, and this is with any platform, is what you pay to your payment processor. So the payment processors are platforms like Stripe or PayPal, and they always take something. But on any of the System.io plans, there are no transaction per listing processing fees or anything like that. I also found that when you sell on a marketplace like Etsy, you're essentially renting space on somebody else's platform. So I was subject to their rules, their algorithms, any changes. And if Etsy decided to just increase their fees or modify its search algorithms, just basically anything like that, like I was subject to all of that, and so was so many other people. And it would just happen overnight. On System.io, you basically control your customer data, the pricing, and how you present your products. This control allows you to build a brand that is truly yours, rather than just being another seller in a really crowded marketplace. Marketplaces like Etsy rely heavily on SEO and product visibility to drive sales. This means spending countless hours optimizing your listing to compete with thousands of others. On System.io, you don't have to focus on SEO if you don't want to. And instead, you can focus on building a dedicated audience through email marketing, social media, and your sales funnels. Yes, it can take a little bit more time to build your own audience, but I have never had a better experience than building a cool online community that you are helping. In fact, I get emails all of the time from people asking questions, needing help, and just generally being really supportive. It's really a different community than when I was in like a service-based role when I was designing for clients. So the other thing that I found is instead of competing for attention with your listings on Etsy, you actually end up guiding customers through a personalized journey which you've created, making the selling process more streamlined and effective. So really what ends up happening is the more you know your clients, the cooler and better you can make their journey. It's really a win-win. Etsy and other marketplaces are great for getting started, but they can really limit your growth. As you scale, the fees and competition increase and it can be hard to make those dollars. System.io, on the other hand, is designed to grow with you. Whether you're selling a few digital products or launching an entire course, System.io provides you with the tools that you need to do anything, like automated email sequences, membership sites, and affiliate programs to scale your business without any limitations. While major marketplaces like Etsy offer access to a large audience, it often comes with significant trade-offs. Like I mentioned, things like fees, lack of control, and intense competition. On the other hand, System.io offers a more sustainable, scalable solution that puts you in control of your business. If you're really serious about growing your digital product business and being in it for the long haul, System.io is the platform that can really take you to the next level. Now you know how to take control of your digital product sales using platforms that you own. Before I wrap up, I really want to encourage you to give System.io a try. And because System.io is so great, there's a free trial in the description as well as some freebies you can download. If you enjoyed my content today, please make sure to like and subscribe. Leave any questions in the comments. I try to answer every single one of them. And make sure to check out this video because I think it's going to help you level up even further.